Good morning, guys. I have like the oldest, dirtiest shirt on. And I always get asked about this coat. It's from ASOS. I love it. I got it like 5 years ago. My foot's not on the brake. No, it is. Push. Push it.
Oh, fuck.
Maybe you should be dressing appropriate.
On now at Celebration's Dinner Theater. These hits. So, have the time of
Guys, we went grocery shopping. Got some sweet deals, yo. Didn't we, Mer? Should we get some sweet deals?
No. 82.
Say we got some sweet deals. Oh, then we got sweet deals. Who is this getting in our car?
Ooh, it's cold.
Psycho.
Oh.
Is this illegal?
Yeah.
Really?
It's an illegality. Oh, what is?
I wonder, like, how this person got their car here. They must have, like, gotten in an accident just out over here or something.
Yeah, because, like, their front tire is fucking flat. They just didn't want to pull up all the way. It was actually in a cart in Superstore, and I grabbed the cart. Okay. And so I got that for free, and then my car was broken into. They didn't take that; it was just fucking on the seat.
Yeah, but, like, they picked it up.
Yeah, because it was all in there.
Yeah, and put it back.
Magic penny?
You're like,
Yeah.
this is
Oh god.
Oh god. My
There
eggs.
goes our chips.
Oh no.
Oh.
I might have went a little crazy on the snacks.
Yeah, you got a lot of snacks. But it's good for you.
I don't give a shit.
Now, well, it's better you buy them there than we, like, go to 7-Eleven.
Yeah. Well, exactly. That's how I justify it. It's a fraction. A fraction of the cost.
Oi! Oi, it's a fraction.
Oh, it's a fraction of the cost.
Oi, it's a 1/3.
Oh, it's just 1/3 of the cost. Oh,
Oi!
just a little bit. Just a smidgen.
Oi.
Who are you?
Yeah, it's recording.
My god.
No, you can say whatever you
so
want.
hideous right now.
Oh my god.
I'm hideous too. That witch hazel made my face really, really red.
Well,
It doesn't always, though.
that's not the only thing that makes you look hideous, Marina.
You?
You guys, I got a package in the mail. Guess who from? Freaking YSL. I love YSL so much, and they sent me some goodies. Let me show you what they sent me. I am so excited right now. So they sent along to me 6 goodies, and this is from their, I think they're like Christmas line. It is called the Gold Attraction Edition. So here we have a makeup palette, we have 3 lipsticks, we have an illuminator, and then we also have a Tucci Clot. And like, you guys, look at this packaging. It's so cute. It's like a little notebook. Oh my god, it's like my little black book, except like I don't have one because I'm single. Well, you be such cutie all the time, you know. Are you trying to get away from me, or do you like it? Which is it? Because you gotta decide. I think you don't like it. Oh, I think I got a Tinder message. Should I read it? That'll be a fun little read. I don't use Tinder a lot. Like, I really, really don't. I just feel like I'm lonely, you know? Like, sometimes I'm not, and then sometimes I am. I just don't know if I actually am. Like, I haven't decided. Like, I just don't know. Like, I really like my single life, you know, just with like my cats. But then sometimes I'm like, wow, I'm like, I don't know. Like this weekend when I went to like a party and everyone's in like couples and like everyone's either like, literally I was the only single person there. Like everybody is either married, engaged, or in like a really like like over 8 years. 8 years together? Yeah, 8 years together. And I'm just like, I'm just the lonely single one, you know? Ooh. Oh my god, you guys, I just imported all of my footage from my camera, and for some reason I can view the full clips on my camera, but when I'm trying to import it onto my computer, it's only like a partial clip. Like if I had a 5-minute clip, it's only importing like 20 seconds onto my computer. And I realized this, and then I try to, like, when I showed the YSL stuff, I tried to refilm it. And then when I tried to import that, the same thing happened. So I'm not even going to try to do that. This just really sucks because I had filmed so much stuff today, and now I'm so upset that I don't know why this footage like isn't importing. I've been here for like an hour trying to figure it out and just like being so frustrated with it. And I don't want to like, I want to stay zen. I want to stay calm. So I think I'm just going to like let that footage go. I'm going to reformat my memory card. So I'm going to wipe it and like maybe that's what it is. Like I really have no explanation why the full clips wouldn't be showing up and importing. Like it's so weird. Like this one clip, it's literally 5 minutes and 20 seconds on my camera, but the only bit that will import is 1.8 minutes on here. It's just crazy to me. I don't understand what's happening. And I'm so sorry because I literally had so much footage and I had so many things that I had told you guys that are so important, and it's just driving me nuts because I can put my memory card back into my camera and view it all. But when I put it into my computer or when I plug in my camera, it doesn't show up. It only shows like 20 seconds of the clip. And it's not because I have like not enough room on my computer. It's like I don't understand, and it's driving me crazy. Like to the point where I just need to let it go. It's not the end of the world. I do want to show you guys the rest of the YSL stuff, but I will do that in today's vlog once I like reformat and like troubleshoot this a little bit further after I format my card, because I'm not gonna like film a whole day. Excuse me, sir. I do have another camera, but it's my fisheye camera, and I remember that some people would be like, oh, this is making me sick. So I don't know if I want to use that camera for Vlogmas because I know some people don't love it. But on that camera, I can see that there's a viewfinder. Well, because there is a viewfinder on it. Because with this guy, the viewfinder doesn't... This is like the dumbest camera ever. Like, why does it do this? Like, it's nice if you're like taking a photo or whatever. But like, I wish that flipped up, but it doesn't. Don't ever buy this camera, you guys. It's like, it's lovely and it's beautiful, but the Sony a6000, just do yourself a favor and don't. Also the lens, anytime you like, if I dropped it like a foot on carpet, it would break. And I've had to get that lens fixed so many times, it's not even funny. I'm just like having a day. I'm kind of under the weather. I'm kind of sick. We have a baby here though. It's so cute. Look at this sweetie. Hey, baby. Anyway, I'm sorry, you guys. I failed you. No, I didn't. Anyway. But I did, like, a whole grocery haul. I did, like, my whole YSL haul. I did, like, I filmed so much stuff. And then I also had a bet. Excuse me, boy. Come up here. Come up. He'll come up when he's ready. Was my hair back there crazy? I like just woke up. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. And I'm sorry that we're webcamming right now. Am I a cam girl? Hey, I'm just kidding. Demonetized. I'm just joking. Anywho, I will see you guys in today's vlog. Imagine this footage doesn't even work either. I will literally like throw myself against this beam if that happens. No, I won't. Aren't these flowers cute, by the way? I like hung them all up. Well, I can just move my computer screen. Who needs a camera when I have this? All these flowers I have hung, and I have them hung. Can I I don't want this to accidentally unplug. Okay, I got the cord. They're from my dad's funeral, actually. And Marina and I, like, there was, like, so many of them. So Marina and I took, like, I think, like, a dozen each of all the roses. Not from his funeral, from his burial, because we did it on 2 separate days. So we, like, took a dozen each, and I hung them up everywhere and dried them. And I love them so much. Baby, why are you licking me? Okay, guys, I'll try and get both cats here at once so you can see what my life is like with them. Oh my god, this is literally heaven. She just wants her lamp. Hey, baby, why are you guys trying to leave me? I'm all alone. Okay, guys, I'll see you in today's vlog where if it's fisheye, it's fisheye. If it's not, it's not. I'm sorry. Love you guys.